Akshay. I did my schooling in Hosur and I completed my BTech Civil in SRMIST, Ramapuram campus. And I'm 2019 passed out. I was working as a site engineer for past 1 year in exterior. And through my two of my friends, I came to know about this CMTI Institute. So that's what I came here.
Okay, so how did you come to know about your CMTI? That is from your friends, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice.
And
yeah, tell me.
Like they suggested me very strongly that definitely if you go here, you'll be having a good career growth and you'll be furtherly moving on with good packages, and it will be very much useful for you. So that's how very first I came twice and I visited the institute, and Ashok sir and Deepa ma'am was guiding me very good. So that's how I joined in CMTI Institute.
Okay, that's nice. Then how did you choose your advanced construction management course?
Like I did my exterior, right? I worked as a site engineer in the construction field for past 1 year, and what happened was I thought of I want to have a career change or career growth in my thing. So that's what I came here, and while coming to CMTI Institute, I was totally blank about it. So when I spoke with Deepa ma'am, she only suggested me here we are having a CMTI course. So if you go ahead with it, so you'll be getting all the knowledges, and if you take further inputs, you can crack the interviews. So that is how I took the CMTI course.
Okay, so how did you what all the things you gone through with the CACM course?
Actually it is everything. Actually here the only one thing is everybody they are training us are directly from the industries, so we'll be knowing what is the today's requirement for the companies or today's requirement in the market. So accordingly we are getting trained here. So that is what Natarajan sir class, it is exterior construction methodology, and I'll be more attentive in his class, and Vamshi's Primavera, yeah, all software like Primavera, AutoCAD, all SketchUp, all those things were, yeah, it's pretty good. And like what is Ashok sir, especially he'll be giving the career guidance. So that is a very important thing, as I'm feeling like it is a very much important thing for cracking the interviews. All that career guidance gives us a confidence. So these are all the things I got.
Okay, so you went through some site visits?
Yeah, we went for site visits. They took us for a lot of site visits, and actually, what is while sitting in the class and seeing at the board, it will be something else more than that site visits.
Okay.
So site visits are really a good thing. If we go there, we'll be able to know each and every minute things.
So you just got all the practical knowledge also.
Yeah.
Okay. So how was the interview preparation? Prayojana helped you?
Actually, interview preparation, Shweta ma'am helped me a lot. She was continuously following the companies, and I'm not I was just following her. That's what. And I have a speech with them. Like I was in contact with them. If so, any doubts or if so, any clarifications, how the interview will be, or in which manner the questions will be asked. That those things all I interacted with them directly, so I got an idea about it. Then that's how I cracked the interview.
So that's great. Later, how can you can you speak about our trainers a bit?
Sorry?
Our trainers.
Okay, trainers are really pretty good. That's what, as I said before, they are directly from the industries. It is not a college lecture, always blah, blah, blah. It is not a sleepy class. No, it is not like that. It is something different which gives you a practical knowledge and the requirement of today.
Okay.
Like what all the requirements that company needs. Accordingly, we are getting trained. That is the beauty and that is the success of CMTI, I hope.
Okay, that's nice actually. Later, you speak about your interview process, how it went, and how many rounds you had, and what are the challenges you faced over there.
Actually, yeah, I had given interview in some Hyderabad location, and after that, like I asked for some other location if so, and anything is available. Um, so yeah, again, sir said that like Chennai is available. Yeah, so I preferred Chennai. So my resume went there. I again attended the same interview. Both the yeah, interview is pretty good. The only thing is all those measurements, all those units that has to be like we should be little bit okay with that. Then only it will be easy for us to clear the interview.
Okay, that's nice. Later, how was our CMTI app helped you during the learning process?
Like CMTA app is like I installed the app after a week only. After joining here, after a week only, I installed that app. Like it was helping me in certain ways that if I'm going into interiors, more than the class, some or the other information we can get or we can intake ourselves by the videos.
Mhm.
So that is very much helpful. So it for each and every role we are having that videos in that. For it is a MMT role, we are having a separate video for MMT. If it is a QC role, we are having a separate video for QC. So that is how each and every videos, some or the other intakes that is not taught in class will be helpful. So we can take it from that and we can go for the interview very confidently.
Okay, okay. So, lastly, Akshay, would you like to refer CMTI to and Prajna to your friends and your juniors also?
Yeah, sure. Already I referred to two of my friends and it is in process. Definitely. Yeah, sure. I'll refer to my friends because this is a very much genuine institute and the things are very much genuine here. I love CMTA. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you, Akshay, for giving us a very great review, and again, I wish you a very all the best for all your future endeavors, and congratulations
Okay.
again.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, thank you.